Looking for an encoder but not sure where to start? In this video, we'll give you a brief overview of the different types of encoders we make to help you narrow down your selection. Let's start with our most popular type, kit encoders. Kit encoders are typically used to provide position feedback and ship with individual components that are assembled onto the tail shaft of a motor. Kit encoders are typically less expensive than most other types of encoders because they do not need their own bearings for the rotating disc. We make different size kit encoders that are designed for different size motors, everything from our E6, which is often installed on NEMA 23 or 34 motors, down to our E16, which is designed for NEMA 6 motors. Shaft encoders are standalone encoders with a built-in shaft. These designs include their own internal ball bearings to support a rotating disc. They are typically coupled to a rotating shaft when a kit encoder can't be mounted. Shaft encoders can also be used to measure linear distance in conveyor applications by attaching a measuring wheel to the shaft. We make shaft versions of most of our kit encoders, so they're available in a wide variety of sizes and configurations. Hollow bore encoders, like kit encoders, are often used for motor feedback. Unlike kit encoders, these are standalone designs with internal ball bearings. The complete unit is attached to a motor when a kit isn't possible or ideal. These are also known as hollow shaft encoders. Our particular offering is a bit more robust in design than our kit and shaft encoders and feature anodized aluminum housings. We also sell rotary modules and individual components for applications where the components are integrated into the mechanical design, such as a smart motor application. This works well when space is a concern. However, it requires you to do some heavy lifting on the design side of things to make sure that the components are integrated into compliance with our specifications. As an honorable mention, we make inclinometers, which are designed to provide precise single-axis measurements relative to gravity. These are often used in the solar power industry. Thanks for watching. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us via chat, email, or over the phone. We're always happy to help.